On from census-related matters, and a cancer treatment center has been commissioned at the Cape Coast Teaching Hospital. The Oncology Centre, which adds to the 2 centers already in the country, is expected to deliver world-class cancer care to patients in the central region and beyond. Speaking at the launch of the center, CEO of the Cape Coast Teaching Hospital, Dr. Eric Kofi-Njedu, was optimistic the center would reduce the harrowing experiences cancer patients go through before accessing care. Richard Kwejunyako has more in the following report.
Ghana has just 2 oncology centers, and the increasing rate of cancer cases pile pressure on the 2 that are the Komfo-Anokye Teaching Hospital and the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. As a result, most cancer patients go through disturbing experiences before accessing cancer care. Chief Executive Officer of the Cape Coast Teaching Hospital, Dr. Eric Kofi-Njedu, intimated the oncology services in the region would reduce the burden on the 2 facilities that are already providing cancer care in the country.
The fact that only 2 public hospitals provide cancer services in Ghana burdens these facilities and lengthens the time to access specialist care, a situation which affects quality prognosis. The increased risk of long travels, physically, emotionally, and financially worsen the plight of patients.
Dr. Njedu says owing to the increasing cases of cancer in Ghana, there was a need to think about cost-effective and unhindered access to treatment.
Cancer is not one disease. There are over 100 different types of cancers, and sadly, WHO global estimates indicate that Ghana is experiencing increasing incidence of these cancers. This estimate is also supported by the Ministry of Health, Hospital and Population-based data. There is therefore the need for systemic and cost-effective ways of making cancer care services accessible to both the rich and the poor communities, as well as to support the government's universal health coverage strategy.
CEO of the National Health Insurance Authority, Dr. Lydia Dan-Selby, announced some interventions that have been put in place by the authority to deal with many health challenges and their access to medication.
In partnership with Roche, government has been able to secure a model PPP, that's private-public partnership, which is delivering access to innovative treatment and diagnostics. These kind of partnerships are what will reduce the gap in the coming years, within which Ghanaians can also access quality care. The caveat, however, is to find real middle ground and holistic approach. The NHIA is working to include breast cancer and some childhood cancers within the benefit package. Breast and cervical cancer are currently covered, and we anticipate that by the close of 2021, childhood cancers and prostate will also be covered. That said, we all have a role to play to counter fraud because it threatens the sustainability of such noble programs. We must make available expertise and ensure we police the process.
Country Manager of Roche Ghana, Philip Anderson, intimated the overarching goal of Roche's partnership with the Cape Coast Teaching Hospital is to bridge geographic access barriers to quality cancer care and supporting capacity development and training of healthcare providers to offer expertise services.
We believe that the right persons are in place to deliver these medicines, and the reason we will support with capacity building and research, like we're partnering with the cancer registry to make sure that even after treatment, the patients are monitored right. Although we are launching this today, for us it is just the beginning of a long journey for which we are very willing partners.
Central Regional Director of Health Services, Dr. Akosua Sapon, want the hospital to go beyond the mere establishment of the center. In addition to the Cancer Treatment Center, Roche, the world's largest biotech company, also donated a cold room facility to the Cape Coast Teaching Hospital. From the Cape Coast Teaching Hospital, my name is Richard Kwejunyako for JoyNews.